Hi there, I'm Jenny from the mHelpDesk product team. Here at mHelpDesk, we know that servicing all of your customers isn't easy, especially if they have a lot of equipment that require ongoing services. You do your best to service all of them on time, but you don't have great visibility over the ones who are due to be serviced soon. With mHelpDesk's new equipment scheduling system, you can forecast the upcoming services that need to be scheduled soon. From your dashboard, you can see all of the customers who are due for their next service, and then schedule an appointment from there. With equipment scheduling, you can now track the install date, the last service date, and the next service due date. If your customer has more than one piece of equipment at a location, you can schedule one appointment to service all of them. You no longer have to track your next service dates by hand, and you no longer have to guess who to call at the beginning of each month. Equipment scheduling shows you who to call to service them all.